Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this very easy binding stitch. I post crochet videos on Tuesday and Friday and other videos in between. You can slow down your videos to a very slow speed by clicking on the gear icon below the video. You can find all my patterns in my Ravelry store, over 2,000 patterns there, and many of them are free, or on my Etsy site. HectaFavorites is my name there, and I have approximately 700 patterns there. Start as though you're making a single crochet, and now pull that up a little bit, and then from the back come around like that, and then finish the single crochet. So start a single crochet, pull it up, wrap it around, and then finish the single crochet. And there you go. That's a very easy binding stitch in crochet. If you like this video, please click like, as it helps in the YouTube algorithm. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.